Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the TOTOLINK EX1800T Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 Dual-Band Range Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, take the TOTOLINK EX1800T Range Extender out of the box. Plug it into a wall power outlet near your main router, within 5 to 10 feet. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to power on. The power LED will turn solid when the device is ready. Tip: always perform the first setup close to the router for a stable connection. In this video, I will show you how to set up the DHMX-DC wireless N 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button method. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals or internet dead zones in your home or office, this extender can help boost your existing Wi-Fi network and improve coverage. I will explain each and every step in detail so you can easily connect the DHMX-DC Wi-Fi extender to your router without using complicated settings. So let's start the setup process. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the TOTOLINK EX1800T. The WPS or signal LED on the extender will start blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to the router automatically. No password is required in this step. The router and extender will exchange wireless information automatically. This process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. When the connection is successful, the WPS light stops blinking. The signal LED becomes solid. This means the extender has successfully copied your router's Wi-Fi settings. Unplug the extender. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it back into the power outlet. After setup, the extender creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: original Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, or extended Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi_EXT. Now connect your phone, laptop, or TV to the extended Wi-Fi network to get better coverage. Your Clasia Wi-Fi extender is now ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal and remove dead zones in your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.